Hi, my name is Joang Tan and I'm from Section 2G in BRIGED SISWA under Injured Youthmin, and I'm going to talk about my experience in BRIGED SISWA. So first of all, when all of us were compulsory to join BRIGED SISWA, I was thinking that it was such a troubling course because it had so many activities, but turns out I had a really good time. One of my favorite activities was the camp. So we were separated into groups of 15, and then we only had 3 days to work together and perform at the camp. So we only met up once, and me and my group members got really well, and I learned how to voice out my opinions and how to work together in a group, how to give and take, and I got to see how people, like, how is it like at campsites. Like, there's not many facilities and we just have to make do of what we have. And next I'm going to talk about why UMP is my choice of university. So I come from Form 6, and I did a lot of research from the internet and from my teachers, and I found out that UMP is actually one of the best technology universities in Malaysia. And when I got here, I found out that UMP actually has a 5-star rating, which made me super excited. And everything in uni now is really good, and it's up to my expectations, and I think I made a really good choice in choosing UMP. Thank you.